you want to change the world, start off by making your bed, said William McRaven, the US Navy admiral. Here, Admiral shares how a simple act of making your bed every day have a positive and powerful impact on your mindset. Why do you think it is said so, and what is the importance of making your bed? Hello everyone, this is Sanuta. Welcome back to my channel. So, you might have probably used all the excuses you could ever get to not make your bed every day. Like, I don't have time, it is not important, no one is going to see it anyway, or I will do it later. But that later never really comes. Yes, though giving excuses is very easy, don't you think the task itself is an easy one too? At the most, making your bed would take 2 minutes of your time. And spending just that 2 minutes of your time every day on making your bed can actually make wonders to your mental health and also make your room instantly look better. But making your bed not only makes your room look good, but there are also a lot of other advantages by making your bed. So in today's video, I'll be talking about all the other benefits and the importance of making your bed. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and click on that bell so that you will be notified every single time I drop out a new video. So now, let's get started. So the first benefit of making your bed is that it helps you to start off your day right. Yes, making your bed the first thing in the morning definitely helps you to start off your day right, because here you're starting off your day by doing the right thing. Though this might seem like a very unimportant task, making your bed the first thing in the morning actually helps you a lot and is also beneficial to you in the long run. Also, though this might not be a biggest achievement, it is very important to make sure that you make your bed, because like William McRaven said, the simple act of just making your bed every day has a very positive and powerful impact on your mindset. Because doing a small task is really significant and a lot better than watching your phone right after you wake up. Because unlike that, this is a lot better and here you're starting off your day right with happiness and fulfillment. And the second benefit of making your bed is that it gives you a sense of accomplishment. Yes, wouldn't it feel just so amazing if you could cross off something off your to-do list just right when you wake up? It does, right? Yes, whether it is or it is not on your to-do list, when you complete a task even before you brush your teeth, it gives you a sense of accomplishment and happiness which keeps you going for the rest of the day. Again, though this might seem like a too small task and an unimportant one, taking some time to make your bed every morning makes you proud of yourself and ignites a positive tone for the rest of your day, which helps you to feel more positive and accomplish more. And the third benefit of making your bed is that it helps you to reduce your stress level. Yes, like I've already shared in one of my previous videos where I talk about why organizing is important, having a cluttered surrounding actually has a very bad effect on your mindset. Yes, a cluttered and unorganized bed makes the room look cluttered. When the room is cluttered or disorganized, it makes your mind cluttered, which eventually leads to disorganized life. So it is very important to make your bed every day because you spend a lot of your time in your room and that has a great impact on your mindset. And the appearance of your room affects your mind. Not making your bed and leaving your room cluttered makes you feel stressed and you find it really difficult to feel calm and relaxed. It is very important that you make your bed every day, which leads to an organized room and which eventually makes you feel more relaxed, calm and stress-free. And the fourth benefit of making your bed is that it increases your productivity. Yes, making your bed also makes you a more productive person. You might think that how is making your bed even related to productivity? But it is true that when you make your bed every day, it helps you to become a more productive person. And the sense of accomplishment you get when you make your bed the first thing in the morning motivates you to get a lot more things done and be productive throughout the day. Also, when you begin your day by accomplishing a task, it gives you a sense of pride and satisfaction which will encourage you to do a lot more tasks and get a lot more things done throughout the day. And in the book Power of Habits, the author Charles Duhigg mentions that making your bed every day becomes a keystone habit. It is something that kickstarts a chain of other good decisions we take throughout the day and gives a sense of control which helps us to get a lot of things done and be more productive. So make sure to make your bed every day so that you can be a more productive person and get a lot of things done. And the fifth benefit of making your bed is that it makes you a more organized person. Yes, making your bed every day also makes you a more organized person because that encourages and motivates you to keep even the rest of your room tidy and organized. What happens is that when you make your bed, it instantly improves your room's appearance and this inspires your mind to get a lot more things organized. And when you start off your day by making your bed, it improves your ability to be more disciplined by taking good decisions in other aspects of your life, which also makes you a more organized person. And the sixth benefit of making your bed is that it improves our sleep quality. Yes, this is another really cool benefit of making our bed every day. A poll conducted by National Sleep Foundation found out that people who make their bed every day are 19% more likely to get quality sound sleep every night. Also, the quality of your sleep depends on how organized your surroundings is. So, when you make your bed every morning and have it organized, it positively impacts your brain, which leads to good sleep every night. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Instantly look better. But do you think? But yes, though this might seem like a very the second benefit making your it is true that making you so that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Last benefit of and the sixth benefit of making your bed is that